you speaking Indian?
I am Indian.
No way.
I am Indian.
Where you? What part?
Mumbai.
Really?
But
That's
my
really
mom from
cool.
hotel. My dad from Pakistan. But my mom are Indian.
Oh, okay.
But
Nice.
you're Indian?
No,
Or you're what Canadian?
no, I'm Moroccan.
Moroccan.
Guys,
All right.
send a rose so we can get doubles, please. 2 roses. We need 2 roses. What'd you
مرحبا.
say?
مرحبا. كيف
Are
حالك؟
you? I feel like
No,
you're lying.
I thought you speak it. You speak Arabic.
Yeah, but بحكي عربي.
عارف هاي تتكلم عربي. But my dad speak Hindi.
انت بتتكلم عربي؟
نعم.
Wow.
And
Sister?
I my dad for Mumbai and dad gave for Pakistan. But
Wallah, you're lying.
line.
Yeah.
No, I should have come in Somalia for pick up my dad here. But my dad moved here from Somalia. Come back here for
I thought he was Pakistani.
huh? No, I was saying my dad moved to Pakistan, but he's still living there.
Boy,